OB word family, kindergarten phonics lesson, blending onsets and rhymes of CVC words. These are objectives and Common Core standards. These are objectives and Common Core standards. Say the sound of the initial letter. Ah, the short vowel sound of the letter O. Say the sound of the final letter. B. Blend together. Ah, B. Say it. OB is a group of letters called the rhyme. Now we are going to add a consonant at the beginning of OB to form words. This consonant is called the onset. Say the sound of the initial letter. B. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Bob. Say the sound of the initial letter. F. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Fob. Say the sound of the initial letter. K. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Cob. Say the sound of the initial letter. G. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Gob. Say the sound of the initial letter. J. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Job. Say the sound of the initial letter. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Mob. Say the sound of the initial letter. S. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Sob. Say the sound of the initial letter. R. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Rob. Say the sound of the initial letter. R. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Rob. Say the sound of the initial letter. B. Blend with OB. What word did you say? Bob.